This video shows you where and how to remove the jammed paper in the staple hole punch finisher and paper transport with folding option. Remove the jammed paper in the staple hole punch offset bin. Remove the jammed paper in the finisher standard bin. Remove the jammed paper in the paper transport bin. Open door F. Open door N4, and then open door N5. Open door H. Lift handle R4. Turn knob R3 counterclockwise, and then remove the jammed paper. Turn knob R2 counterclockwise, and then remove the jammed paper. Push down handle N1. Turn knob N2 counterclockwise. Remove the jammed paper inside handle N1. To avoid damaging the printer, remove any hand accessories before removing the jammed paper. Return handle N1 to its original position. Close door N5, and then close door N4. Close door F. Return handle R4 to its original position. Close door H.